Demo 8 is on feature copying. This is something that you want to do whenever there's agreement. So for instance, in English, there's agreement between the subject noun and the verb. So we're going to go in and write a subject-verb agreement rule that copies the person and number from the subject noun to the verb itself, so that later we have those available in any rule that we want to write relating to the verbs. So we use the visual interface to set up the environment. We want a noun phrase and a verb phrase. We want a verb in there because we want to copy the feature to the verb, and we want to copy it from the noun of the noun phrase. So we throw a noun in there, and it's not just any noun. We want the subject noun. So we click on there and we say we want the subject noun. Again, those are our target language defined features that we've set and that we've defined and set elsewhere. So you click on the source, and then I click the noun. You click you see the destination. You click the verb, and then you say the feature to copy is number, and you usually should give it some sort of name like the number of the subject. That's the new name of the feature that's going to appear on the verbs. You can do more than one at a time, so you just click that, and let's do the person, and then we'll call it person of subject. Again, person of subject will then end up on the verbs. All right, remember to do topics. So for this rule, we've addressed the number and person, and you could also add in some topics like agreement rule or something. You can add in any kind of user-defined topics that you want. And you click OK, and then you have your rule. Now I just want to show you that, say in a subsequent spell-out rule, before you couldn't refer to, say, the number of the subject. But now you can. If you're writing a verb rule and those two new subjects, those two new features show